if you're a numbers person, if you care about money and the way money is spent, you'd probably really look at youth incarceration and question why it's done in that way, because it costs a lot, hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars per person per year to incarcerate a young person, and it doesn't work. The outcomes are not good. I've been working with this center called ASHE, which is part of the University of Washington, for a few years now. And one of the biggest areas of focus for us is really addressing this issue of youth incarceration. These diversion programs, these alternatives to incarceration, they work and they're a lot less expensive. Communities can really help inform, support, encourage, and make sure that the plans are in place so that those alternatives are there. So you don't just close a door without actually opening an opportunity. From the years 2010 to 2023, over that period of time, we found 118 different places, facilities, where they had intended to close. They'd named their intention, this youth facility is something we're going to close. Of those, 62%, well over half, were successful in closing. And I just want to pause there and say, it's just important for us to know that this can be done, that it is done, it has been done, and it actually happens more often than not. A Black youth is more likely to be under the scrutiny of the police. A Black youth is more likely to be arrested by police for the same kinds of actions that someone else does. A Black youth is more likely to get prosecuted, more likely to have a serious sentence that includes jail time, is more likely to be imprisoned for a longer period of time, and is less likely to have access to community-based resources that we know are more effective. So as we think about closing facilities, planning to close facilities, and strategies around that, to really understand that this is all happening in this context of what is a really strongly racially disproportionate setup system at each step of the way. There are lots of other community programs that center on the idea that we can engage young people and support them rather than lock them away and separate them from society. These things work. The challenge is often getting them to the right scale, having adequate resources across the community for young people, and making sure that those connections happen. For me, I really prefer also that a lot of those programs were offered before a young person actually got in trouble. The way we have it set up right now, you have to be arrested before you can actually access some of the best programs that could possibly be helpful to you.